I needed English to fly high. Hi, I'm Emily from Australia. There was a time when I couldn't speak English fluently, and it held me back in so many ways.
But now,
English has become my superpower, opening doors I never imagined possible. Hi, my name is Emily, and I'm from Sydney, Australia. Today, I want to share how learning English transformed my life. It wasn't always easy, but it was worth it. When I was in school, I didn't care much about English. I loved math and sports, but English? Not a chance. The grammar confused me, and I barely knew how to say more than hello. My English teacher often told me, Emily, you need to try harder, but I didn't listen. I thought, why bother? I'm staying in Australia forever. Then everything changed when I turned 16. One day, I went to the airport to pick up my aunt. While waiting, I saw a group of cabin crew members. They looked so confident and elegant, smiling and helping passengers. I thought, wow, I want to be like them. That night, I told my mom, I want to be a cabin crew member. I want to travel to other countries. She smiled and said, that's a great dream, Emily, but remember, you'll need to learn English. Her words stuck with me. After finishing school, I eagerly applied for cabin crew jobs. But every interview ended the same way. Do you speak English fluently? I would reply, no, but I'm willing to learn. The interviewers always smiled kindly but said, we need people who can already speak English. I felt crushed. My dreams seemed impossible without English. That was the turning point. I decided to change. The very next day, I started my journey to learn English. At first, I didn't know where to begin, so I used my phone to learn new words daily. I watched videos of cabin crew members interacting with passengers, repeating their sentences over and over. Every morning, I stood in front of the mirror and practiced phrases like hello, welcome on board, and would you like something to drink? I also joined an English class in my town. My teacher was incredibly kind and encouraging. She would always say, Emily, you're improving. Keep going. Slowly but surely, I gained confidence. After 5 months of hard work, I decided to apply for another cabin crew position. This time, I was ready. During the interview, they asked, why do you want this job? I smiled and replied, because I love helping people and I want to see the world. They asked more questions and I answered them all in English. My grammar wasn't perfect, but I gave it my best shot. A week later, I received a phone call. Congratulations, Emily. Welcome to our team. I couldn't believe it. I screamed with joy. My dream was coming true. My first flight was to Singapore. I was nervous, but remembered my training. I greeted passengers with a smile and spoke in English. When the plane took off, I looked out the window and thought, I did it. In my first year, I traveled to 45 countries. I visited Paris, New York, Tokyo, and so many other incredible places. I worked in business class, serving passengers from around the world. Some passengers would thank me for my kindness, and one even said, your English is excellent. That made me feel so proud. At first, I was scared to speak English with passengers. I worried they wouldn't understand me. But with practice, my confidence grew. Now, I travel the world, meet amazing people, and learn about different cultures. Speaking English has become second nature. Learning English changed my life. It gave me a job I love and memories I'll treasure forever. My advice to anyone learning English? Don't be afraid. Everyone starts somewhere. Practice a little every day, even if it's just in front of a mirror. English can open so many doors. It helped me achieve my dream and see the world. Believe in yourself and keep going. One day, you'll look back and say, I did it.